A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And today, senators, we must take that first step in ensuring that we're able to make sure that we're protecting the lives of our civilians and make sure we're protecting the globe for our future. So today, because I stand with the sentiment that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, you will affirm this legislation and implement a carbon tax for the better of America. Because number one, it is the best plan, despite what fellow senators have said, and number two, because of the economic benefits that this will have. But first, let's look to why this is the best plan. And this is shown in a study of 24 countries done by the University of British Columbia. They found in every single one of the countries that they studied that implemented a carbon tax, they saw a decrease in the number of carbon emissions. So we see as this is actually going to have a positive effect, and we see that the carbon emissions actually does go down. So despite what other senators today tell you, this actually has been proven to work. But let's look at what cost and why this is going to be the best solution to today's debate. It's because according to the Rice University, energy costs will only rise by 8% from now until 2030. And so what this means is that energy prices will not rise. But let me tell you the exact effect in today's debate. And this is because according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, fishery and farming are the most vulnerable areas to climate change. And today, senators, we can battle the effects of climate change, protect millions of jobs and $1 million of industry, and at the same time ensuring that our most vulnerable Americans, those lower income Americans, are not burdened by the high cost. So today, Senator Fair, when you say that there are alternatives, Senator, I have shown you that this is number one, the cheapest solution, but number two, the solution that will make sure that's proven to work. And so today, we can have other alternatives. This is not the end all be all, but my solution is proven to work and will not hurt our lowest unemployed. But let's also look to the economy. Let me just show you the biggest argument in today's debate when it comes to economy. When Sweden implemented their carbon tax, they saw a 75% increase in their GDP. So today, when you're looking at the impacts in today's debate, look at a 75% increase and what that could do to our economy. But let's also look to what happened in Canada, especially Ottawa, Canada, when they did this. When they implemented the carbon tax, which will happen in this bill, they gave direct cash rebates to citizens. And what this means is that we're not actually taking a tax. I hate the word tax in this debate because it's not a tax. Instead, what this is a direct money back in the hands of the citizens to make sure that the citizens get the money. So today, Senator Fair, when you say we need to solve the solution for the long run, that's true. But I've shown you that this will make sure to protect our economy, cushion our economy when we bring that long-term solution back because you yourself agree that the cost will be astronomical when you're in today's debate. So today, when you're voting, at the core of today's debate, it comes down to two things. It comes down to what solution will protect our lowest income Americans, and number two, what solution will make sure that we're overall having the best benefit on our economy. And today, I have shown you that this solution will be the best solution. And so today's debate, senators, let's take that first step. Take that first step with me and vote in the affirmation of this legislation.